Thank you very much. So let me briefly introduce myself. My name is Ali Park, the Managing Director of the HD Hyundai Construction Equipment Dubai office. So I'm very honored and pleased to hold this crucial event with the Shirawi machinery today. So the main purpose of this event is to officially announce that we are back. HD Hyundai is back with Shirawi machinery here in the UAE market. So unfortunately, to be honest with you, we have not been able to provide any services, to the customers here. So I'm very happy to meet all of you guys here, and including our VIP guests.
The 18th of January will be a date that will be remembered in our market. It is the start of a new era in the construction equipment industry in the United Arab Emirates. The partnership between Hyundai and Shirawi machinery will be so perfect that the customers will be addicted to us.
I have definitely no doubt that HD Hyundai Construction Equipment and Shirawi machinery will keep growing together through a close and sincere cooperation with each other for our customers here in the UAE. Because Shirawi machinery has an excellent and also distinguished ability when it comes to providing product support and services here. So in order to build a comfortable tomorrow here in the UAE, we will keep growing and we will keep doing harder and harder.
Customers that will try us will never leave us. Visiting the Hyundai facilities in Korea was a day that I will not forget. I was very impressed with the facilities, with the attention to details and the innovation that they continuously put in the machines. The recipe of success is not a secret. It is specifying the right machine for the right application, then the providing second to none after sales service. In our industry, no news is good news. So when the customers don't hear any news, this means that the machine is working, and that is our homework. And so far, from the days I was in school, I never missed a homework.